case study about the petroleum products. Okay. Nitish, what do you mean by case study?
The case study is something where we analyze, segregate, and go deeper into the topic so that we can get a better understanding than the traditional way of having classes.
Very good, very good.
Having case study, we'll be having a group discussion, so we'll be getting each other's thoughts in their mind.
Okay. For example, here in this case study, we will discuss about the products of petroleum which we are applying in our day-to-day life. Okay. For example, the first level of petroleum product is natural gas. Okay, Yashik, can you tell about the natural gas, where we are using it and how we got it from the crude oil?
So natural gas is by heating 38 degrees, by heating crude oil at 38 degrees Celsius.
Which one is getting heated?
Crude oil.
Crude oil. Okay.
Crude oil is getting heated at 38 degrees Celsius. So we get a natural gas. Natural gas is nothing but one we use in our homes, houses, or any other places for LPG gases.
What do you mean by LPG?
It's a liquefied petroleum gas.
Okay, liquefied petroleum gas. Okay.
So which is weight around 13 to 25 kg.
It is of domestic.
According to how we use.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. The gases which are handled in the cylinders are more safer than anything else. Did you study about thick cylinder and thin cylinder in your earlier classes? You might not. Okay. Actually, thin cylinders are used to carry the gases and petroleum. Thin cylinder means that those cylinders are having the wall thickness about 1/20th of, less than 1/20th of their diameter. If the wall thickness of the cylinder is less than 1/20th, means one part from the 20 part. If we are cutting it into 20 parts, and if it is less than one part, 1/20th of its diameter, that is called as thin cylinder. The thin cylinders are safer than thick cylinder. Mostly they are using for carrying the gases and combustible products. Okay, for your knowledge. Okay, the next one is gasoline. Anybody witness? Can you tell about gasoline?
So gasoline is another byproduct of distillation process of crude oil. So gasoline is nothing but another type of fuel that can be used to run vehicles like aircrafts, etc. So
do you think that aircrafts are using the same petrol they are using for our regular cars, bikes and all?
I think no, sir, because aircraft's design and the basic mechanics of its working and motion takes a long time and requires more energy. So I think it would be of different chemical structures and
that is called white petrol.
Yeah,
that is different. Okay. Other than gasoline, what is the next fuel we are using for? Gasoline is petrol. Other than petrol, what we are using? Are we using kerosene for diesel? Is kerosene is used as a fuel in
but
the
not for running the vehicles, but
not to run the vehicles. Yeah, cooking or other
domestic
purposes, as well as the industrial purposes also. Wherever we are needing to burn something, we are using kerosene. Okay. The next fuel used in the vehicles are diesel. Can you say something about diesel?
Diesel, commercial vehicle.
Commercial vehicle,
heavy
heavy duty and commercial vehicles are using diesel. Any one of you explain the difference between the diesel and petrol? And sometimes we are preferring diesel over petrol, sometimes we are preferring petrol over diesel. Where we are using petrol and where we are using diesel? Can any of you explain about it? Surya Prakash, to you.
Sir, petrol is preferred to lighter vehicles which can give which cannot give more pull power compared to diesel. That's why we are using diesel in heavy load vehicles.
Actually, efficiency of petrol is more than diesel, right?
Yes, sir.
Diesel is
Yes,
more
sir.
efficient. Cost wise, diesel is cheaper. Then okay, let us discuss those things in the next class. Thank you so much.
Thank you.